100 square plus 81 square plus 19 to the power 4 upon 2 under square root. How to simplify this? So let's first deal with the numerator part here. We have 100 square, which we can write it as 10 square and then whole raised to the power 2, plus 81 square as 9 square, then whole raised to the power 2, then plus 19 as 10 plus 9 whole raised to the power 4. Now this is 10 to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 4 plus 10 plus 9 whole to the power 4. Now if we consider 10 as A and 9 as B, in that case we have A plus B whole raised to the power 4, and this we can expand as A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus 4A cube B plus 4B cube A plus 6A square B square. If you don't know the formula for A plus B whole raised to the power 4, you can find it by multiplying A plus B whole square times A plus B whole square. When you multiply these two, you will get this product. Now using this formula, we can write here A to the power 4 for 10 to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus 4A cube B plus 4B cube A plus 6A square B square. We are dealing with numerator part just. Now A to the power 4 plus A to the power 4 is 2A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus B to the power 4, 2B to the power 4 plus 4A cube B. We can take here 4AB common here and write 4AB parenthesis A square plus B square for these two terms plus 6A square B square. Now here we can take 2 common and write 2 A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus 2AB A square plus B square. Sorry, here we have B square plus 3A square B square. This is the numerator part. Now let's put this in the question. So 2A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus 2AB A square plus B square plus 3A square B square upon 2 under square root. Now we can cancel this 2 and this 2. Now we have A to the power 4, which we can write it as A square and whole square plus B to the power 4 as B square and then whole square plus this 3A square B square as 2A square B square plus A square B square plus 2AB parenthesis A square plus B square under square root. Now this is in the form of A square plus B square plus 2AB, an algebraic expression which we can write it as A plus B whole square. So we can write it as A square plus B square whole square plus A square B square, we can write it as AB whole square plus 2AB A square plus B square under square root. Again, if you consider this as one term as x and AB as y, then this is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2xy, and this is equal to x plus y whole square. So this we can write it as A square plus B square plus AB whole square under square root. Now we can remove the square root with the square. So we have A square plus B square plus AB. Now let's put the value of A and B. A square is 10 square, B square is 9 square plus AB is 10 times 9. So 100 plus 81 plus 90. or 271. This is our answer. Nice and easy. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.